The one we are installing now is the sunroof roller blind of Song Pro. Pay attention to the installation of Song Pro. This is the pin position. The pin position is not stuck in the slot. Before, the box could not be pulled down. Now we can start to install it. The main reason is that this position should be aligned with its position. Now when plugging in, put this side first. When it's put in place, I'll adjust the position first, twist it, and then press it down. When I'm pressing it, I'll push the box. It's hard to pull it out like this. It has a force, and it has a force in it, so it can be done in one go. If it's a bolt, sometimes it's stuck in 10 circles and it's hard to pull it down. Now it's good, we can pull out this roller shed station. When it is pulled out, it is the pulling position, the buckle position of the pull wire, and the roller blind should be buckled on it. I buckle this thing up again, and then buckle it up again. The two sides are the same, so you put it in the same place, right? Right. What to do again, right? After the two sides are fastened, shake the motor to move forward. When it is in place, start shaking the electric motor on the opposite side. The cone motor shakes the truck like this, and it goes in obliquely like this. Well, you see if it goes in obliquely here, and the same goes in here, you see it will go in obliquely like this. Okay, that's it for this decision, and the installation is complete, so we can test it down.